Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here today. As you can see, I have some really awesome colors here in front of me. I'll be working on a 10 by 20 canvas. My gold is Artist Loft Metallic Gold. The beautiful red here is a cadmium red deep hue from Liquitex Basics. And here I've got some nice purple, dioxazine purple, and my white is Artist Loft. So everything has water Floetrol, and I've also added this type of silicone today. I added this actually to my purple and my red, and my gold was a leftover which already had silicone, and I did not add any to my white. I think I'm going to be pouring directly on my canvas today, and I will be using my blow pen. So here we go. So I'm really happy about how this painting turned out. I think it has such amazing details and the colors are spectacular. It dried beautifully. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!